Good morning. So I am officially in my apartment. We're in the kitchen right now, and I wanted to do a little bit of a kind of apartment tour day one type thing. The apartment's really messy. My suitcase is on the floor because I have too many clothes and I have nowhere to put everything. So my suitcase is on the floor. This is a big chalkboard here. You can actually write on this. So I'm gonna pick up some chalk so I can actually write on this and put, you know, like things I need to buy from the store, which I think would be so cute. We have the sink. We have a little stove with 4 burners. And my favorite, a full-sized fridge. When I was looking for places in France, finding a full-sized fridge, not a mini fridge, a full-sized fridge, was almost impossible for apartments. And I'm the kind of person, I can't live with a mini fridge for 2 years. So my landlords have this fridge, and when I saw that on the apartment listing, I was like, yes. And then they also got us some cute yellow napkins and a yellow coffee machine, which I think is so cute because they actually asked me. They asked, you know, what's your favorite color? What's your style like? And I told them, and yellow. So they customized a lot of things in the apartment to me in particular, which I'm so grateful for. This is my shopping list here, and these are like kitchen basics, which as you can see is like, you know, non-dairy milk, cinnamon, kimchi makes the list, because yes, it is an essential for me. Anyway, let's do some shots of the apartment. Now, keep in mind this is a little bit messy because we are not finished moving in. I should specify I'm not finished moving in. So we have a little table here to eat. We have a little couch. The TV would normally go here, but Guillaume's using that as a monitor, and we're considering purchasing a bigger TV to put in this area. So this is kind of like not sure what to do with this yet. Guillaume is working, so I'm gonna film quietly.
Ça existe les compteurs d'eau? Ouais.
I have all my shoes laid out here because there's no shoe rack or anything. So I've actually ordered one from Amazon, which I will put a picture of right here. And it holds like 16 to 20 shoes, which I'm gonna need. I didn't realize I had so many shoes until I laid them out all like this. And of course, my slippers. Okay. I want to show you the view, but there's actually a security lock up there and I'm too short. So I'm gonna show you through the window. We have an amazing view outside. I don't know what building that is, but it is so pretty. So we have 1 balcony, 2 balcony. So I have my list of things that I need to get right here. And I also need to get a hair dryer and a straightener because I gotta be able to do my hair. So that's the agenda today. Get some groceries and buy a hair dryer and straightener. So I'm gonna write down the words I need to use in this little notebook and take it with me. Trash.
Trash.
No! Okay.
Yeah. Let's go.
On the streets of Dijon, reporting live. With Guillaume locking the door. Wait a minute. butter. Let's go to the fresh vegetable section.
Okay.
Oh, it's made with coconut milk?
Yeah.
Let's try it.
Okay.
Look at this. Is this a lava cake but vegan?
I don't know what lava cake is.
Let's see. Oh, this has chickpea. Oh wow, perfect. I need chickpea actually.
Yeah.
Yeah, but let's see if we can get it cheaper. 99 cents. Perfect. Spaghetti. Japan. Perfect. Good. Let's go for beans. So these are all the groceries I got. So all this here was 52 euros. I tried to get mostly like vegetarian kind of stuff and vegan when possible, but mostly focused on buying vegetarian since Guillaume eats a meat kind of diet. I'm trying to transition a little bit to have it like a vegetarian house. So these are all my groceries here. Spinach, I got rice, I got pasta for really good prices actually. And I tried to get some vegetables and fruits as well. This isn't a full grocery shop. I do want to get more things, but it was our first time in the store and Guillaume was on lunch break from work, so this is all we could get in a short period of time. I also got some tea here, green tea with mango, bergamot. I thought it sounded really good. So I'm gonna have some tea and try to make something for lunch.